If you have a house in Groveport, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and we buy houses in Groveport, Ohio. And when we buy houses in Groveport, Ohio, we buy them in their as-is condition. So let me explain what that means. When we're buying your house in Groveport, Ohio, you don't have to do any work. You don't have to swing a hammer. You don't need to run a broom across the floor. You don't need to haul anything away. In fact, you can take anything that you want out of the house and keep that. Leave anything that you don't want. We buy houses in their true as-is condition. Another reason people love working with us is our purchase is not relying on a bank appraisal or formal inspections or anything like that. We're a true cash buyer. That means we don't have to rely on a bank or rely on an institution to approve us. We're ready to go, and that is very convenient for you as the seller of your Groveport, Ohio home, simply because now we can operate and work with your timeline. And this is very important, and often it's overlooked, but timing is extremely important when you're selling a property. Some people, they need or want to sell fast, and we can accommodate that since we're a true cash buyer. Or some people need flexibility. Maybe they need to find a new place. Maybe they need to handle something in their personal life and kind of set up a closing date at some point in the future, and they need flexibility. We can absolutely accommodate that as well. We have been buying houses in Groveport, Ohio for over 14 years, and I have no doubt that we're absolutely going to be able to make you a fair offer on your Groveport home and help you with the sale of your property. So, what it looks like to work with us, you'll pick up the phone, give us a call at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. You'll fill out a very simple form, and we'll get on the phone, and a conversation with us, there's no obligations whatsoever. We're just going to get more information on the property, on your timeline, and especially on the situation, and then we'll make you a fair cash offer right there over the phone. If our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward, and if we move forward, everything's going to be handled professionally. You're going to be in full communication the entire time. You're going to know exactly where everything stands, exactly what the closing date is. It's going to be very easy and convenient. And if our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. There's no pressure or gimmicks or sales tactics. We can simply shake hands and part as friends. So pick up the phone, give us a call at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave with Sell House Columbus, and I look forward to working with you.